Yes. People, I have to also add that the people think that the sloth is the dancer from Dancing with the Stars, Maxim Chervikovsky. I think that's how you say his name. Maxim Chervikovsky, something. Because, the dancing reference and Rose or something. But Ukraine season, I was like, huh. Okay, I have no idea. But anyway, let's see the exotic bird who is going to perform Paula Abdul's song. And she thinks she knows her from Idol. Ooh, an Idol contestant. Okay.
Exotic bird, one of my favorites.
Look at the diner, it has a number 6.
Ooh, let's hear it for the exotic bird.
Can the 6 be American Idol season 6? I don't know. Pretty good.
Wow. That deserves a spot in the semifinals.
What did you think about that performance?
Loved it. Yes, my childhood dream is to listen to a Paula Abdul song sitting next to Paula Abdul.
It could have been nerve-wracking dancing to my song, but you absolutely nailed it. It's always fun watching other people dance to my music.
I really think this may be her best performance.
I think so.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah.
It's true. I am super curious to see who you are.
Yes.
Yeah, we all are. Hey, our panel needs a little help. So let's give them another clue. Audio team, remove the voice modulation off the exotic bird.
Dude.
Circus.
Circus.
Ooh, her voice is definitely sexy still.
Yes.
Sexy circus? I like that. Oh my gosh.
You got it?
She's delivering.
I'm delivering who it is.
Just another fun of FYI. Is the judges still doing the masked dancer in like a day or two? Because the judges I've seen the judges wear the same outfit straight out the show. So I was like, do they do this show like in a week or just a weekend, a few days? But anyway, I don't know who this is, but if they think it is an American Idol former contestant, that's a good guess, because I have been all the way up over to J-Lo, and we've gone from J-Lo to American Idol contestant. Pretty impressive moves from that bird. But anyway, let's see the last one, Cotton Candy.